are pleased to show you the 2019 Honda CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, remote engine start, power passenger seat, power liftgate, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, floor mats, keyless start. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.